Hey guys, it's Doug from Mustang Brothers, giving a little update on what's been going on. Went a whole different route with the Mustang. Got new fuel rails put in. Went with the Holley Terminator X ECU system. Adjustable fuel regulator, it's boost referenced. Map sensor. No longer mass airflow. Really cleaned up everything. But we're still having a problem with this. As I put the new system in, wired it up, followed the instructions, and it has a no start thing. See, all the lights are green. Means it's good to go. Go to start it. It turns red. That LED is for the crank. Verified the sensor's good. Even put a new sensor in just to verify it. So, kind of stumped at the moment. Verified voltage and everything else I could think of. I have no clue why it's throwing that code there. So if any of you have ever dealt with the Terminator X for the mod motors and have any advice on what that could be caused by, it'd be great help. Still also waiting to get a hold of Holley. They are next to impossible to get a hold of right now. Been having that issue. I did upgrade my fuel system. It's a 380 liter per hour pump now. Well, that's where we're at right now, so that's pretty much an update. I was hoping it'd been starting and running. We did the same thing on my buddy's car. His fired right up, no problem. Mine, same system, just doesn't want to go. And verified crank sensor's good. Looked at the wire harness and stuff. It doesn't seem like anything's odd or out of place. And my other camera was dead, so I'm back with the wide angle one right at the moment. And then so if you guys can point out any help, I'm kind of stumped at the moment and waiting for Holley to get a hold of me. In the meantime, this is where I'm at.